Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Albert Lopez, Director of Pacific Healthcare, and today we're going to be talking about our stem cell therapy. So here in Pacific Healthcare, we get a lot of questions regarding our stem cell therapy. What are stem cells? What are they used for? How much the cost is, and where exactly we get our stem cells from. So the first question is, what is a stem cell? Basically, a stem cell is any cell that has no identity that can be placed into the body. These stem cells are special because they follow any sign of inflammation within the body. Once they migrate and install themselves, they can multiply and become any neighboring tissue. So if you have heart damage, you can literally form a new heart cell tissue. If you have any brain injury, the stem cell can be placed in neural tissue and become a brand new neural cell. So what kind of conditions can you treat with stem cell therapy? So within our stem cell therapies, we're able to treat any kind of condition, whether it be metabolic conditions such as diabetes or high blood pressure. We can also treat any kind of degenerative condition such as heart stroke or brain stroke injury. We can also treat renal failure or any kind of bone degeneration. Furthermore, stem cells can be used for wellness in order to maintain and upkeep a very healthy lifestyle. So where do we get stem cells from? Usually all of our stem cells are donor-based. We have labs located in different parts of Mexico that will run all the proper processes in order to test the donator and the tissue that's being donated, making sure that there's no disease and that there's no immunohistological reaction to any of the patients that we're going to do our treatments for. Obviously, these stem cells are donor-based, so it's important that you bring any kind of blood work previous to your consultation in order to make sure that you're completely safe and completely secured with your treatment. How does the consultation work? Usually patients get a hold of us through our website at www.pacifichealthcare.com. Here they can set up a free consultation, which is one-on-one with me, where they can talk about their condition. They can bring all their medical studies, including MRIs or blood work. And once we sit down and we take a look at all of that, we set up a treatment plan specific for that condition. The patient can then go home, and if he decides to do a treatment, all he needs to do is do a 50% deposit. Afterwards, we wait a total of 5 days to process his stem cells, and he arrives at the clinic where we do the direct placement of the stem cells. So costs. This is one of the biggest questions we get. Here in Pacific Healthcare, we have the advantage that we're associates with our stem cell bank, so our costs are very low compared to the competition. Here you can get a total of 50 million stem cells for $2,000 or up to 100 million stem cells for only $3,000. Usually, we do include exosomes in all of our treatments, and we also include all the follow-up consultations along with the IV therapy that will come along with their treatment. In conclusion, if you have any further questions regarding stem cell therapies or want to know if stem cell therapies are good for you, feel free to contact us at www.pacifichealthcareplias.com. There you can set up a one-on-one appointment with me, whether it be face-to-face or through phone call. There we'll get in contact with you, we'll ask for any studies, and we'll set up a payment plan and set up a total cost for you right away. Thank you very much. Once again, I'm Dr. Albert Lopez, Director of Pacific Healthcare.